Complex fractions are kind of crazy looking things, right? And here's the three of them that we were looking at. Really, I think we've mentioned before that a fraction bar is really just a division bar. So let's make these black just a little different. If we use those as division bars, you can see how I can rewrite it to make it look a little different. I could say this is 10 divided by 5 over 8. Okay? And then it looks like something we can deal with because it would equal 10 times 8 over 5. And all we'd have to do is make this 10 over 1. Remember, we can make it a fraction just quickly like that. And then we get 80 over 5, right? And 80 over 5 actually divides nicely to equal 16. So this 10 divided by 5/8 actually equals 16. Okay. Very similar for this one. Instead of it being a 10, and this one's a little more obvious because you have a fraction and another fraction and a fraction bar for division. So 7 over 5 divided by, right, this is division, 10 over 7, right? Now don't cancel those out because it's really 7 over 5 times 7 over 10, because those need to be flipped. And that then equals 49 over 50. 49 over 50. Okay. And then the one that's most complicated is over here. Okay. Is over here. In fact, let's rub out this here to give ourselves some space. Because what you're really doing is we're taking the numerator, and we are dividing it by the denominator. So we have to put the numerator in brackets because it gets done first, right? Numerators and denominators are separate. So we'd have to put that in brackets. Now, a couple things we can do. This numerator has a common denominator of 6. That's 4 6 minus 3 6. Okay. We can also, at the same time, we can make this 15 over 8, because 8 times 1 plus 7 is 15, 15 over 8. Okay. Then, when we do in the bracket, 4 6 minus 3 6 is 1/6. Okay. And we're not going to divide, we're going to multiply by 8 over 15, because you always have to flip that. 1 times 8 is 8. 6 times 15 is 90. And it looks to me like I can divide both of those things by 2 and get 4 over 45. Okay? So that's a long way to go, but what you end up with is this is just equal to 4 over 45. Okay? You just have to be patient. Numerator goes in brackets, divided by the denominator, and then you'd work it through to get 4 over 45. Hope that makes sense. If not, back it up a little bit and watch the explanation again.